The Daily Code Snippet. In HTML5, the abbreviation and acronym elements were combined under the abbreviation element, but just be aware that you may still see the older acronym element. When using the abbreviation element, you can add the title attribute to the opening tag. The value of the attribute is the full term. So this is an example of how this is written. An abbreviation opening tag with the title attribute that equals the value of Museum of Modern Art in quotation marks, which is the full term for the acronym MoMA, followed by the abbreviation closing tag. Presented by Designers Learn Code.